Hey guys, welcome back to another Windows tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to restore the old right click menus in Windows 11. As you know, when you right click in Windows 11, this right click menu comes up. And it's really different to what we saw in Windows 7, 8 and 10. And it's really simple, folks. And when you're copying a file, so if I say, for instance, wanted to copy this saved pictures folder, if I were to right click on that, I'll have to select this icon to copy, or if I want to see the word copy, I go down to show more options and you'll see the old right click menu and there's copy just right there. So what if I were to right click and instead of seeing this menu, you're seeing this menu? That's what I'm gonna show you today. I'm gonna show you every time you right click, it'll show that old classic menu. So all you wanna do is open your browser up. In the URL box, you're gonna type in this win aero.com/DOWLOAD. That's WINAERO that's TWEAKER. So again, that's WINAERO.com/DOWLOAD. That's WINAERO. That's TWEAKER. So once you typed it in, click on enter, scroll down to this here where it says download and where it says click here to download the file. Click on that and just save it to wherever you want to save it. Okay, so now if I right click on it, click on shown folder and go up to extract all and just click on extract, and now we'll extract that folder. And then if we double click the setup, it will now ask you, do you want this unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Well, as long as it says win aerial tracker dash and then a bunch of numbers and then setup, then move your mouse over yes and click it. Right, so click next, click normal, next again, accept, and then next, and then you just install that. Okay, so I'm gonna untick the second box, leave the first one ticked, then click finish. It will now ask you again, do you want to announce this unknown publisher to make changes to your device, as long as it says Win Aerial Tracker with a capital W and a capital T. Click yes. And as you can see, it's a really basic application. But what we're looking for to restore the right click menu is Windows 11. So if we click on that, and then that's a full context and it's okay. So we want to click on that, and then we want to tick the box where it says enable full context menus. Okay, so it will say you have to restart Explorer. So just click restart Explorer, and that will refresh your computer. So if we shut down this, and if we right click, if you've done it all correctly, guys, you'll see the classic right click menu, even in Explorer. So if I were to copy this file, as you can see, there you go, the old classic right click menu is back on Windows 11. Say if you don't like it, just open up Win Aerial Tracker again. So all you have to do is find it on our computer. Go to W, and then let's go to that, and then let's on that application. Oh, now ask you, do you want this unknown app to make changes to your device? Again, as long as it says Win Aerial Tracker with a capital W and a capital T, click yes. And all we want to do is go back to where it says Windows 11, just right there, and then we want to click that's a full context menus, and then we want to untick the box, restart Explorer, close it, and then we'll see the Windows 11 like the menu. So there we go. That was how to enable the classic right the context menus in Windows 11, and how to go back to the Windows 11 right click menu. Thanks for watching.